Hi beauties, how are you doing? Hopefully you're good. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in today's video, it's all about how to style your hair using Brazil wool. And I'll be taking you guys step by step on how to achieve or to get this look. So, if you're my returning subscriber, thank you so much, honey, for coming back. I do appreciate your love and your support. And as I always said, I don't take it for granted. But if you're new to this family, you're welcome. My name is Glory Mtui, and before you leave, kindly give this video a big thumbs up because if you do so, YouTube will push this video to more people. And don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your loved ones. So here we go. I'll be using Brazil wool. I use less than half of this raw, and I'll also use kinky hair, but you may either decide to use Mali hair or any hair with your natural hair texture. So I'll cut this hair into two because it's too long. And then today I'll work with bigger section because I just want to do something very simple and can take short time. So I'll be working with bigger section. And actually, if you don't know this kind of protective hairstyle, it will help to grow your hair and to stretch your hair. I'll be using all sun hair wax. I'll apply after I part my hair for the first time, and then I will redo again to part my hair. If you're wondering how can I see both sides, I have two mirrors, one in front and one in the back, which helps me to get clean and neat sections. So after I part every section, I apply some hair wax, and in the first three sections, I was trying to figure out the amount of hair I'm going to use. So kindly keep watching because at some point I find this amount is too small. So I do three-way braids as we do regular braids, and I braid till the end of my natural hair. This first section I use 4 strands of Brazil wool, and as you can see I only hold small amounts of this Brazil wool and then I start wrapping. When you are wrapping, you don't need to wrap too tight because you don't want to cause any tension, yet you want to enjoy your protective style. So I keep wrapping till the end of this wool. At this point, you may either decide to add more strands or 4 more strands depending on how far you want to braid your hair. But my target when I was doing this hair was to be able to style this hair in a ponytail or in back. So I'll be able to hold all the hair at the mid of my head or in the back of my head so that I'll be able to change the hairstyle. So after I realized this is the length I want, I go ahead and secure the hair because you don't want your hair to unravel before time. As you can see, I'm trying to do the measurements. If this is the length I want, then go ahead and cut off all the Brazil wool and allow your kinky hair or Mali hair to only remain in the end. Again, I apply some hair wax. I take a section of kinky hair. As you can see at this point, I take bigger section compared with the first section I braid. And as you can see here, I'm doing 3 strands braid. 2 strands with kinky hair while the third strand is my natural hair. And I'm going to braid slowly until the end of my natural hair. Then I'll be taking Brazil wool to wrap. So at this point, because I take bigger section, I'm not going to use 4 strands as I did in the first section. At this point, I'm going to use only 2 strands. And as you can see at this point, I hold these 2 strands almost in the end, and then I start wrapping. So I'm going to wrap until I finish these 2 strands. And don't forget, when you are wrapping, you don't need to wrap too tight because you don't want to cause any tension on your scalp. If you realize the strand you are wrapping is short, go ahead and add 2 more. But if you start with 3, so it means every time when you add the same amount to get the same size. So because I started with 2 strands, even when I want to add, I add 2 more strands and I keep wrapping until I finish or I get the length I want. So before I get the length I want, I make sure I secure the hair in the end to avoid the hair to unravel. Go ahead and secure. You may either secure 2 times, you may either secure 3 times. It's all up to you depending on how long you want to keep this hairstyle or depending on how comfortable you feel you are with your hairstyle. And then after you secure, don't forget to cut off all the Brazil wool because you want your hair to look as natural as you can.
Artificial love, we just make it up, 'cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up, 'cause we already lost, addicted to the rush. I never meant to fall. All I wanted was a touch of artificial love. We just make it up, 'cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up. Artificial love. Artificial love. Artificial love. We just make it up, 'cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up, 'cause we already lost, addicted to the rush. I never meant to fall. All I wanted was a touch, 'cause we already lost, addicted to the rush. I never meant to fall. All I wanted was a touch, artificial love.
The fact I learned about doing your own hair is you have to know how to place your hands and how to turn your fingers in different way when you are braiding different sides of your head. Like the way I'm holding my hair in front is not the way I hold my hair in the back. So you have to know how to hold your hair in different angles of your head so that you'll be able to get clean and beautiful sections. So again, I take 2 strands and then I continue wrapping as I did in the back until I get the length I want. Then I secure. Don't forget to secure your hair. And if you realize is I'm cutting this Brazil wool immediately after I secure because it will be so hard to cut them after you finish to braid. It's like you'll not be able to see all of them. But once you braid, you cut them, once you cut them after you finish to braid, you know every section how many pieces you use. So let me go ahead and take a little break. Then I'll be back to show you guys the final look. But before I take a break, let me go ahead and trim off some excess hair. Make sure my hair looks good. You may spray some water to get good result, because this hair, it has natural texture, so it works pretty good after you spray some water. And guess what? This is the final look for today's video, guys. You may decide to style your hair like this. This is what I was talking about, to hold my hair in the back like this, or you may decide to style your hair like this. I add some accessories just to spice up a little bit of this look. Hopefully you enjoy watching this video and you get something new. If yes, kindly don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and comment and share with your loved one. I love you guys. See you soon. Bye.